Hey guys, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on review of the Motorola Moto G4 Plus. Motorola launched the G4 Plus in India at a starting price tag of Rs 13,999 for the 2GB RAM with 16GB inbuilt memory, while the high-end variant like the 32GB inbuilt memory with 3GB of RAM cost Rs 14,999. The smartphone is available on Amazon.in exclusively, and it comes with number of launch offers. Talking about the device, it features 5.5-inch Full HD display which has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and clearly when it comes to a display side you will not find any issues. It has a pixel density of 4.401 with to prevent it from sketches, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Above the display you will find the speaker grill with range of sensors and 5 megapixel front-facing camera, and there are on-screen buttons, and below the display you will find the fingerprint sensor with the mic, and on the right hand side you will find the power key with volume key, and at the back it has a textured finish. There is a 16 megapixel camera with dual tone LED flash which offers you to take good images even though in the low light. There is a Motorola branding and a mic. The back panel offers a premium feel when you hold the smartphone in your hand, and removing the back panel gives you access to the dual SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot. By using micro SD card slot you can expand the memory further up to 128GB. It has 3000 mAh battery which offers a good standby time and usage time, and with it comes with turbo charger too, by which you can charge your phone within 15 minutes and you can use the smartphone for 6 hours. That's a really good thing. Tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings. As you can see that it runs on Android version 6.0.1 Marshmallow, and it carries the model number Moto G4 Plus, and as you can see that the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 617 processor. It's a octa-core processor and paired with Adreno 530 GPU, and you can easily access any do multitasking and access any application in no time of second, and it comes with other features like the motor display and the other ones, and it is not loaded with the bloatwares which you see in other devices. Apart from this, the device is really good and you won't face any issues when it comes to using the, and above all the button placements are good and you can easily access the buttons, and below the display you will find the micro USB slot for charging the phone, and at the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack. Apart from this there is nothing on the hardware side. We'll share a lot more in detail about the device in another video. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any upcoming video.